the importance of gas detection. It's a matter of life or death. Let's face it, folks, industrial work ain't for the faint of heart. It's a realm where every day brings new challenges and risks. It's tough, it's gritty, and sometimes it's downright dangerous. The environment is unforgiving, and the stakes are incredibly high. 1 minute you're elbow deep in grease, the next you're dealing with hazardous gases you can't even see or smell. These invisible threats can be lurking around any corner. That's where fixed gas detection systems come in. They are the silent sentinels, always on guard, always vigilant. These systems are the unsung heroes of industrial safety, the silent watchdogs that keep workers out of harm's way. They work tirelessly, day and night, to ensure that the air you breathe is safe. They detect leaks, sound the alarm, and give you that precious time to react and get to safety. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that there's a system in place that can alert you before disaster strikes. Think of it this way: a gas leak is like a ticking time bomb. You never know when it's going to blow, and when it does, the consequences can be catastrophic. The damage can be both immediate and long-lasting. You never know when it's going to blow, and when it does, the consequences can be catastrophic. Lives can be lost, and the aftermath can be devastating, affecting not just the workers, but their families and communities. But with a reliable gas detection system in place, you get that early warning, that heads up that could mean the difference between a close call and a tragedy. It's not just about compliance, it's about caring for the people who make the industry run. Keeping your guard up, why regular servicing is non-negotiable. Now, just like any piece of vital equipment, gas detection systems need a little TLC to stay in tip-top shape. Regular servicing is non-negotiable. It's not something you skip out on to save a few quid. First off, regular servicing ensures those sensors are accurate. We're talking about life or death situations here. So you need to be damn sure your detectors are picking up on even the slightest whiff of danger. Not only that, but regular maintenance keeps those false alarms in check. There's nothing more frustrating than a system that cries wolf, and regular upkeep minimizes that risk. Getting your hands dirty, the nuts and bolts of on-site servicing. When it comes to ensuring the safety and efficiency of your industrial environment, on-site servicing is absolutely crucial. It's not just about fixing things when they break, it's about proactive maintenance to prevent issues before they arise. So what exactly goes down during an on-site service visit? Let's break it down step by step. Well, it's a comprehensive checkup for your gas detection system. This means every component is meticulously inspected to ensure it's functioning correctly. First, those hard-working sensors get calibrated. Calibration is essential because it ensures the sensors are accurately detecting gas levels, which is critical for maintaining a safe environment. Then, any worn-out filters are swapped out for fresh ones. Filters play a vital role in keeping the system clean and efficient, so replacing them regularly is a must. We're talking clean air for your detectors. Clean air ensures that the sensors can function without any obstructions, providing accurate readings. Of course, no service visit is complete without a good old-fashioned alarm test. Alarms are your first line of defense in case of a gas leak, so they need to be in perfect working order. We've got to make sure those sirens are loud and clear, right? A loud and clear alarm ensures that everyone in the vicinity is alerted promptly in case of an emergency. And while we're at it, we'll give the whole system a good clean, inside and out. A clean system is a happy system, free from dust and debris that could affect its performance. But wait, there's more. Our service doesn't stop at just cleaning and testing. Our eagle-eyed technicians will also check that your system is properly integrated and talking to all the other safety systems. Integration is key for a seamless safety network. And to top it all off, we'll make sure your system's software is up to date. Because just like your smartphone, these systems need the latest updates to function at their best. Software updates often include important security patches and new features that enhance the system's performance. So there you have it. On-site servicing is a thorough process designed to keep your gas detection systems running smoothly and safely. It's all about prevention, maintenance, and ensuring everything is in top-notch condition. Leaving no stone unturned, the ins and outs of a thorough site survey. Now, before you even think about installing a gas detection system, you need a proper site survey. This initial step is crucial because it lays the foundation for the entire safety system. Without a thorough survey, you might miss critical details that could compromise the effectiveness of your gas detection system. This is where the experts come in to assess your specific needs and risks. They bring their extensive knowledge and experience to the table, ensuring that every potential hazard is identified and addressed. Their expertise is invaluable in creating a safe and secure environment. They'll scope out the whole 9 yards, where to place those detectors for maximum effectiveness, considering factors like the layout of your facility and the types of gases you need to monitor. Proper placement is key to ensuring that the detectors can accurately sense any gas leaks or hazards. What type of sensors you need for the specific gases you're dealing with is another critical aspect. Different gases require different types of sensors, and the experts will help you choose the right ones for your needs. This ensures that your detection system is tailored to your specific situation. And how to integrate the system seamlessly with your existing safety infrastructure is equally important. The goal is to create a cohesive system where all components work together efficiently. This integration minimizes the risk of any gaps in your safety measures. They'll also factor in things like ventilation, airflow, and potential leak points. These elements can significantly impact the performance of your gas detection system. Proper ventilation and airflow management help in dispersing any leaked gases, reducing the risk of accumulation and potential hazards. But it's not just about the technical stuff. A comprehensive site survey also involves understanding the human element. This includes training your staff on how to respond to gas detection alarms and ensuring that everyone is aware of the safety protocols. A good site survey also takes into account your compliance requirements. Regulatory compliance is non-negotiable, and the experts will ensure that your system meets all necessary regulations. This not only keeps you legally compliant, but also enhances the overall safety of your facility. They'll make sure your system meets all the latest UK safety standards, which are among the most stringent in the world. Adhering to these standards is crucial for maintaining a safe working environment and avoiding any legal issues. So you can rest easy knowing you're covered. With a thorough site survey, you can be confident that your gas detection system is optimized for safety and compliance, providing peace of mind for you and your team. Your partner in safety. The benefits of choosing the right service provider. When it comes to gas detection, cutting corners is not an option. That's why choosing the right service provider is crucial. You need a partner you can trust, a team of experts who know their stuff inside and out. Look for a provider with a proven track record, one that's been around the block and knows the ins and outs of industrial safety. Check their credentials, read customer reviews, and ask about their experience in your specific industry. A reputable provider will be transparent, responsive, and committed to keeping your workplace safe. Taking charge. How to schedule your service and get back to work. Scheduling a service or survey is as easy as pie. Most providers have websites where you can request a quote or schedule a visit online. You can also pick up the phone and give them a call. Be prepared to provide some basic information about your facility, the type of gas detection system you have, and your preferred service date. A good provider will work with you to find a convenient time that minimizes disruption to your operations. The bottom line, reliability is key when it comes to gas detection. When it comes to industrial safety, there's no room for error, especially when hazardous gases are involved. Fixed gas detection systems are your first line of defense, but they're only as good as the maintenance they receive. Regular servicing, expert installation, and a reliable service provider are the keys to ensuring those systems are always up to the task, protecting your workers, your facility, and your peace of mind. So, don't wait for disaster to strike. Take action today.